Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Bulkwani City 0. I'm joined by Uzu.
Stimo.
Yeah.
Asilali langa lonke.
Yeah.
It is late.
Yeah.
Stimo. Oqala.
Yeah.
Ipolokwane is a slaughterhouse.
Yes.
Isigodo lisile esishiko.
Yeah.
Uma ke siphuma ngoDokotela.
Yeah.
Pneumonia.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
Stimo.
Yeah.
Okwesibili. We thank Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
For partnering
Yes.
in the national government of unity with Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
So we are not expecting anything on Wednesday.
Yes.
If they do anything different, they will be disappointed.
Yeah.
So that's the only thing we can say. So siyacela ukuthi asibambisane senze umsebenzi wesizwe wenkonyawo. That's the only thing we can say. Stimo.